Assalamalikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, doing good. I am back again with a very stunning, stylish and classic collection of different type of chiffon blouse and top design. So this is a very useful collection for you, so just watch this video till the end. Very beautiful design of blouse and top shirt ideas you will see in this video, within different color, different style, different design. You can get many ideas from this video. All these blouse and shirts designing is totally different from one another. I hope you are gonna love this collection and you can get many ideas of top and blouse from this video. If you love these blouse design ideas and if you love this video, please do just visit my channel and check the other collection on my channel. I hope that you will love those collection too, and I hope that those collection will also be useful for you. You can see different type of designing and different type of blouse and shirts from this video. That is looking so beautiful, so stylish and so stunning. If you are loving these blouse ideas, please do like my video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my notification. After clicking the bell icon, you will get my notification and never miss any video, any ideas, any design. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you. Don't forget to tell me in the comment section viewers how was the video, how are the design, and which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel, and which type of video are more useful for you. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Keep visiting my channel for more videos, more ideas and more collection. And don't forget to like, share and video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear friends, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and designs for you.